What number you are? Don't up to 60 straight away because you need to know how much your grey it heals. You already hit 60 stacks. So, in theory,
Okay, healing.
you've already got your grey damage, your 20% of your grey damage you heal.
Ah, so it's 20% of the gray damage that you have left. So that means the closer you are to death, the more it heals. I didn't see that at all. Teleport on me. Do it reload.
That didn't give him any grey. Yeah, but you're in your ability. When you're not in your ability, that's when it should have given you the grey damage back, but it didn't, did it?
And you could see Omega's HP come back like quite a bit as soon as he got to 60. So it's 20% of your max grade damage, right? Of the max grade damage that you have. So the more grade damage you have when it gets activated, the more it will heal. But it's still just a little 20%. It's like, what is that? That's nothing. You can get better heals from a mender all day. I'm inside, so it's not gonna show. That's it. It was going up for just like 1.5 seconds. That's it. Alright, so have we come to the conclusion that this module is
It might be. Okay.
I don't see where you're getting out of it at all. And hold on, you said you get. Does it say a number 2 next to you on the defense points for the number 2? So then that's just like 20 defense points. How much does that translate to in percentage of defense or whatever?
Every person defense points
The first what?
that's 100 defense points on the robot gives you 50 resistance.
Okay.
After that you get diminishing returns.
So you said it's 20 defense points, not 20% resistance, right?
It's not 20 defense points.
So that ain't.
That could be my drone actually healing you.
What's funny is we're only just shooting like one bullet at a time, so it's like kind of benefit. There it is. I think I killed you a long time ago.